How to create a simple web server using Node.js and Express. Express is the most popular Node.js web application framework. First of all, you need to install Node.js. Go to the nodejs.org website and download the install package and then install it on your computer. After you install Node.js on your computer, you need to make a directory for your project and open that directory in your editor. I choose Visual Studio Code for my editor. No matter which editor that you choose, because it's depend on your decision. And after that, in that directory, we need to run the command npm init to initialize the application. Hit enter to accept the default for all the questions. As you can see, the npm init command add package.json file to your directory. In this file, records all the metadata that you need to run the application. After that, you need to install Express as a module for your application. For that reason, write this line of command npm I, or you can write install express -- save. In the first line, you need to import the express and assign it to a variable. For this reason, we define a variable name express equal to express. Each time you want to use a package in your application, you need to import it in your project in this way, and whenever you want to use it. In the second line, you need to define a variable name app and call the express function, and which create the application and assign the result to the app variable. We use a function in app variable. Get function has two parameters. The first one is route. Route, in the simplest term, is an endpoint which people can access. And the second one is a function. When the user make a get request to your home page, this function is called. And this function has two variables, request and response. If you want to send a message or text to the browser when user requests your home page, you can write rest.send and then the text that you want to show in your home page. For the last step, you need to set up a listener for your server. For this reason, we use listen function in app variable. This function get the port number as the first argument. It's completely on your own, but in this code I use 3000. Okay, if the user wants to access the home page, as you can see, it get the welcome message. Okay, run the server. In terminal you need to write node and then name of your file and press enter. If you go to the browser and go to the home page, local host colon and then the port number that you specify in your code and then press enter, as you can see we get the welcome message here. There is a lot more you can do with Express Server, but this tutorial gives you a glimpse of how you would create web server for a website or web application. I hope this tutorial helped you to make server, and don't forget to subscribe.